Hi, this is a video for the RC Tractors website. This one I'm just going to give you an introduction to this John Deere 8360 RT. This is a bit different from the other tractors I've worked on in that this is obviously has tracks. The idea is that I'm going to have to squeeze two motors into this area, one to drive each track, and you see the bonnet is our engine has is another one of these plastic engines, and it's exposed, which means it's hard to hide the electronics there. But because we don't need a steer and servo up here, we do have this area available for electronics. I think the radio transceiver is going to have to go in the cab as it was with the Fendt. So let's see, I'll just open this up and show you the space that's in here. I intend to put two Tamiya universal gearboxes. I'll show you those in a second. I have them here to one side, and I intend to put them in side by side, which will require a little bit of filing at the sides of the tractor to actually squeeze them in. They're not just they're a little bit too big. So now you see we have all this area in here. It's quite substantial bit of space for by a lot of the other tractors. A little bit of space up here. You might squeeze some electronics in there, maybe some transistors or voltage regulators. Here are the two motors that I'm going to try to squeeze in. I don't have the gears in them yet, but from this area they're going to be maybe out a bit that much extra from the gears. I'm going to cut off the ends of these two shafts because I don't need them. I'm going to cut this bar in half, drive this end with this motor, this end with this motor. Then in the tractor here, I'm just going to mount them inside the body. So you can see that at the edges there, it's just a little bit too wide. So I'm going to have to cut a section out here, a section out here, to allow the edge here and the gears to reach the wheels. It shouldn't be too difficult to mount to the wheels. It should be as easy as it was with previous tractor models. The Tamiya gears, they come with these wheels that come with like more of a mounting post for screwing to wheels. So that shouldn't be too much hassle. Other than that seems to be the majority of this. There will have to be obviously a motor controller in here. Might use an L293 for that, because it's you're able to control two motors on an L329, and that should allow us to be able to track this tractor along. It should have better steering than the other models, because the other models, when you were steering the front wheels of the servo, because you didn't have a differential on the back two wheels, the two rear wheels had a solid axle going between them. Then that meant you were dragging the front wheels along, because sure you notice when the differential or when you're steering any vehicle, the inside wheel moves slower than the outside wheel. But because we have a fixed shaft, the outside wheel couldn't go faster. A differential accounts for that. It allows the outside wheel to move faster than the inside wheel. So that's why in the other tractors we did have slight problems with steering. But this tractor shouldn't be a problem, considering we just have our two tracks. Should be able to move more easily. Let's show you the box. That's the final geared motor. That there's two of them here. So that should be what I try to drive the tractor with. I think that's all I have for this model at the minute, but if you like the video or have any questions, shoot over to the forum and let me know, and I'll try and keep the videos going.